Hello children, welcome in class 10. I am your maths teacher and today we are going to read chapter 2 and the name of this chapter is polynomials. Here I have written important definitions and first definition of this chapter is definition of polynomials. So what is the definition of polynomials? A polynomial in one variable x is an algebraic expression of the form, and this form is very important to know the polynomials. Okay, so here if we have to write the polynomial of x variable, then these are the terms an x to the power n plus a2x square plus a1x plus a0, and generally we have seen in class 9 the form of polynomials in this form. Okay, and the form of this polynomial is known as quadratic polynomial if power of variable is 2. Okay, then the polynomial is known as quadratic polynomial. If power of variable, if degree of variable is 1, it means a1x plus a0. This is the form of linear polynomial. Okay, now here n is a positive integer and a0, a1, a2, an are constants. Constants means real numbers. Constants means real numbers. The constants are also known as coefficients of a polynomial. Okay, if we have to find the coefficient of 5t to the power 4, what will be the answer? This 5 is the coefficient of this t to the power 4. If anybody asked what is the coefficient of this term t, it means 1 is hidden here. So coefficient of this term is 1. Okay, and in algebra generally we cannot write 1. So here see the example 5t to the power 4 minus 2 by 7 t to the power 3 plus root 5, and root 5 is an irrational number, and in definition it is already written that a0, a1, a2, a3 these should be real numbers, and real numbers including irrational along with irrational. So this is root 5 t to the power square plus t minus 7 by 9 is a polynomial of degree. What is the degree? Degree means highest power of the variable. And here we will, if we check power of variable, here is 4, 3, 2. And among 4, 3 and 2, which is the largest? So 4 is the greatest. It means this is the degree of this polynomial, and here we have used t variable, that's why I have written here int. Okay, so what is degree? Degree is the highest power of the variable. Now non-examples. 1 by x plus 7 is not said to be a polynomial. Why? Because if we change this, then we can write it x plus 7 to the power minus 1. Okay. Now here root x plus 5. This is also not a polynomial. And we had already read about this, because x to the power 1 by 2 plus 5, and here 1 by 2 is non-negative integer. 5x square minus 3x plus 14. Only if this is written, it means it is a polynomial. But here 1 by 5x square minus 3x plus 14. It means if we simplify this term, then we can write it 5x to the power minus 2 minus 3x to the power minus 1 and plus 14. And we can easily see that here x to the power minus 2, x to the power minus 1, it means power of variables are in negative form. That's why this is non-example of polynomial. Now second definition, zeros of a polynomial. Zeros means value of polynomial, and the value of polynomial which satisfy the polynomial, and if finally we will get 0, it means this is the 0. So a real number k is called a zero of the polynomial px if pk equal 0. If we put the value of k in px and we get 0, it means this k is known as 0 of a polynomial px. Okay. Now see the example. Here first example, if px equal ax plus b, then find the 0 of px. Here we have to find the 0 of px. So given that px equal ax plus b, for 0 of px should be equal to 0. Okay. So ax plus b equal 0, ax equal minus b. If we write b in right hand side and here sign of b is positive, then it must be in negative form in right hand side. So x equal minus b by a. So the 0 of px is minus b by a. Now second example, let px equal x square minus 2x minus 3. Then find p to the power p polynomial of x variable, and here 0, value of 0 is minus 1. Then p minus 1 equal value of x square minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 whole square minus 1 into minus 1 equal minus minus plus, and 1 1 ja 1. So it gives 1 minus minus plus 2 minus 3, and 3 minus 3 equal 0. Hence minus 1 is the 0 of a polynomial px. Thank you.